Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be installing some new fake hardware on my ESR CS11s. We're going to be changing out the silver rivets on these to some red ones. We've just switched out the center caps as well from these red ones that I have on here. And we're changing out from these silver ones that came with the wheels. So pretty excited to see how it comes out. How we're going to be doing this today is there's not really many videos out on how to remove them other than the typical obvious pulling them out. So we're going to go ahead and just grab some needle nose vice grips, and I'm going to go ahead. I'm not planning on reusing any of these, so it's going to be a one-time use type of thing. We're going to go ahead and pull all these out and then go ahead and put the new ones in. Needle nose vice grips. This is the piece of wood that I was using to hit it with, because the wood's not really going to scratch the plastic. What I'm going to use the towel for is to kind of just make sure that I don't scratch the face of my wheels as I do this. So you're going to go ahead and just hit the vice grips. The reason why I like using the vice grips is so that way it just kind of gives it secure grip. Just going to do a couple of wiggles in each way. Nothing crazy. Pops right out. Excuse my dog jumping in and out. She's crazy. You know, when you're doing this, you just want to be careful that you're not going to scratch the finish itself when you're doing this. So you don't want to do that, which I just did, is fucking break it inside. So that's actually caused by too much going back and forth and not enough pulling. I just don't want to twist it too much. So honestly, I would just say take your time. This is really not something I would say to rush on, unless you don't mind fucking using a drill on every single one of them. Like this one fucking broke. On that one I had 3 break, so I've already got fucking 2 broken here, so I hope not anymore. So the weird thing is I don't know if it's just because these started being in the shade and these were on the heat, but these are way easier to pop out. So let me actually make my way back over here before the sun starts coming up and shining on all these right now. Alright, so we have the red rivets installed on the driver's side. We only have the center cap installed on this side because it was missing. I had to pull the rear wheel off in order to get this one off, but looks pretty good. Love it. One thing I would recommend is to, when you're doing this, is to at least try to mask off, depending on what kind of wheel finish you have. I mean, I would do it on any just to protect the surface, but that way when you're pulling out with these, you're not damaging the lip, because I've kind of hit it a few times on the other side like an idiot. So learn from your mistakes and be smart about it.